Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. One very important feature in YouTube is that whatever you want to search, what is your search history? If you want to hide your search history, no one can see which are the things you have searched on YouTube. So for this purpose, a very important feature in setting is available, which is called search history. So click on your profile picture, go to settings, and here you can see that history and privacy. Click on it. I have paused my watch history, and I have also paused my search history. If you click on it, turn on, everything which you are seeing on YouTube, which you are searching on YouTube, will be recorded, will be saved in your search history, and you can see that what are different things you have searched in past one day or past 1 week or 1 month. Everything will be recorded and will be saved here. If you don't want to see your search history, what different kind of searches you have made on your YouTube, what different things which are available in your search history, if you don't want to see this, so simply turn it off. I have already turned it off. If you turn it on, then everything will be saved in your search history, and you can avail it, you can see it in your search history. So you can see that this is a very important feature to hide your search history. Every YouTuber need to know these kind of important settings for your YouTube channel. So these are the things I think very much related to YouTube setting, and we must learn these things to make our channel more feasible, more attractive, and things which we search on YouTube, which should be in our limit, what we are searching, what we should not display in our history, and what we should display in our history. Thank you so much for watching this video.